I'm Kerry Falcone, and I'm the CEO of New Realm Brewing Company. New Realm Brewing Company is a concept that we worked on for probably 8 years before we actually opened. We put a lot of time and effort into selecting the site, as well as the people. The people were really important to us, not just the folks that became a part of the New Realm family, but the partners that we were going to work with to build our first location here in Atlanta. Finding local people that were a part of the community to help us bring this vision to life was incredibly important to us. And that's one of the reasons that we ended up with Choate Construction. With an adaptive reuse project of this size, there were obviously many things that surfaced throughout this project that were unexpected. And it started early. So before we ever started going up and we were going down into the ground, we uncovered some obstacles where they had tested cutting through the cement and had anticipated it being somewhere between 12 and 16 inches deep. And it turned out that there were sections where it was over 4 feet deep, which really could have set back the timeline of the overall project and add a tremendous amount of cost. And that's one of the things that we truly loved about working with Choate. It wasn't unexpected that we would meet hurdles that we didn't plan on, but what was unexpected to us was how Choate responded to it. And bringing in the right people, identifying equipment that could cut through a cement slab that was over 4 feet thick in some locations really helped us to stay on our timeline, which had a dramatic impact on our budget. We've got a 20,000 square foot footprint here that we parlayed into 40,000 square feet with indoor spaces, outdoor spaces, manufacturing spaces. And when you start thinking about designing a floor that can support a brewery that has significant point weights and caustic materials that will interact with that, added complexity to this overall project, and Choate was able to assist us with multiple vendors, some of which were in Germany, that were designing and engineering our floor and our equipment and finding ways to fit a lot of equipment in a very, very small space and incorporate that brewing process into the dining experience. It wasn't a small task, but we were fortunate to have an architect and a contractor that worked very, very closely with us to help bring this together in a way that met the vision and the strategy of what we were trying to accomplish. One of the things that we loved about working with Choate was the complete alignment on core values. We focus very heavily on quality, we focus very heavily on our core values, and we focus very heavily on safety. There were multiple projects going on in this building while we were building out, and one of the things that we truly admired was every day showing up and seeing everybody from Choate with their vest on, with their helmets on, with their safety glasses on, really adhering to all of the safety metrics that we had talked about going into this. And we knew that while this was a large, complex project, people were not in an environment that was unsafe. The partnership with Choate during the project was important to us and helped us realize the vision and build out a project that we're all very, very passionate about. But beyond the project, the partnership continues, the friendships have continued, seeing people from Choate here at New Realm, drinking our beer and eating our food, and when we have a problem with something, we pick up the phone and we call our partners. And because of the way that we interacted throughout this project, Choate is our construction company. As we build additional locations, we will come back to our partner because of the way that everybody at Choate behaved from the start of this project through today.